Now let's add more sign-in options. So let's come down here just after this button. Let's put a comma. Let's put a text widget again. So text widget, we can say, let's put a hyphen and then or another hyphen. Let's add a space and then let's go to the next line. So we put a / and n, and then let's have a space and then say sign in with, like this. So let's try to hot restart and test it. So it didn't go to the next line. We need to put this / this one like that. Okay, so let's hot restart. There, that's what we want. But now let's just improve this. So here let's give it some style, say text style. So let's have a color, say colors dot gray, and then let's also give it a bold font weight dot bold. Okay, so you have to put a comma here, then let's put a const modifier in front. Then let's also have align the text align dot center, and then of course let's put a sized box here, so we can copy that and put it here. Let's hot restart. There, we want it to be like that. Okay, then now here we can put now the Google sign in, Facebook, or whatever other authentication system we want. So let's continue. Let's just put what we have for now. So let's just create it and see what we can put here. So let's come down here just after this. Let's put a comma and then let's have a container. So this container, let's give it a height of maybe 55.0, and another, and then the width, let's get the same, and then let's get some decoration, which is going to be a box decoration. So box decoration, inside here let's give it a shape. So the shape, let's have a box shape dot circle, like that. Next, let's give it a color. So let's give it a white color, colors dot white. And then next, let's give it a box shadow. So for the shadows, let's see what we can give it. Down here we can say box shadows, like this, and then let's have a color. So colors would maybe black 26, this one here. And then next, let's have some offset. So offset, this one we can have 0.2, and also let's remove this extra one, and let's remove even the last comma, and then the blur radius, let's have a 6.0. And then next, what we can do with this is now just to add something inside here. So let's first put a comma here, then let's hot to start and see what we have. So this is our container, the one we've just created. Okay, let's just add an image inside here. Okay, so just down here after this box shadow, let's say image, and then decoration, we need to say decoration image, and then the image, we have an assets manager. Where is our asset manager? Asset manager, what's our image called? Actually, first we need to call asset image, and then we call our asset manager user icon, this one. Yeah, so let's just put some commas here, then let's hot restart. There is our image. Okay, so this one we can take it as a maybe a guest, something like that. Yeah, so let's put a constant keyword here, constant keyword there, and then what else is required? So maybe let's add words below. So for that, let's put this, wrap this with a column widget. Then after this container here, we can put a text widget. So maybe let's have a constant of sized box first. Sized box with a height of let's have 5, just a small height. And then here now let's have a text widget. So here we'll say what, let's just say guest. Oh yeah, guest. Let's also give it some style, which comes from text style. So font size is going to be the small one. Let's give it 12, and then font weight. Let's give it a bold font weight, and then the color, let's say colors dot gray, like that. Okay, let's put some commas and hot restart. There we have it. And then let's also put another size box on top here. So let's copy this, then paste it here. So let's change this to 20. Yeah, and then here we need to say guest. Yeah, I forgot the T. So let's hot restart there. Now we need to create others like Google and the rest. So let's create another one. So you know that we need to wrap this in a row. So let's wrap this in a row, this column. Then now we can get this column. So let's just put a const modifier first here for the error to go away. Now we can get this column, copy it, and then paste it next here. Let's hot restart. I think we have an error. Let's go back. Okay, so we pasted inside that column. We need to put it below this column. Okay, let's paste it. Okay, it looks like we still have an error. Let's go back. So what we want to copy is this column. So let's copy this column, copy it, and then paste it just after this same column. Okay, let's paste it. Then here let's say Google. Let's hot restart. There we have 2. Okay, so now you know that inside the Google we have that Google image, Google icon. Then let's hot restart. There we have it. So as you know that we need to create the widget to reuse here. Okay, So what we can do is just go in front of this one. So I don't know what's going on. The application is restarting. Let's restart it again, just 2 more times. Okay, it's fine now. So just go in front here and then click on this right bulb, and then let's say extract either a widget or a method. Let's say extract a widget. So here let's name this as what can we name it? Social buttons, like that. Yeah, social button. And then let's click. So this has been extracted into a stateless widget like that. So now here we can transfer these things. Okay, so first of all, because we know at some point we need to click on these, so let's wrap this with a widget. Wrap with a widget, and then you can wrap with an inkwell or a gesture detector. So I'm going to wrap it with a gesture detector, and then on tap I'm going to call on tap. I'm going to make this function, and then let's just pass these that we need here. So here let's pass the required string. Sorry, not that. We need to say required this dot label. Let's have a label, and then what else we need here? Let's have maybe required double dot height. Let's say height. Actually, we need to say this here like that. So required this dot width, and then what else can we pass here? The color, we need it like this universal. So let's get this asset manager, which is a string. Okay, required okay, let's remove this. So let's put maybe the string this side. Required this dot image, asset image. Okay, like this. Sorry, let's put the comma there, and then also now let's put the function required this dot on tap, like that. Then let's just call them now here. Final string is going to be label, and then final string, this will be our asset image, then final double height. Let's just copy, final double width, like that, and then final function on top, like that. So here we are calling it on top. Here let's call our height. Here let's call our width, and then what did we change here? So here, instead of this, let's call our asset image. So this we didn't get because it's supposed to be in the column. What did we get? Let's see. Let's go to the login screen. So we only got this. We didn't get the rest of the things. Okay, so let's just wrap it in a column with a column. Then let's get the rest of the things. So we know that we need this and this. So let's copy this, paste it below this container, and then here we know that it's a label. Okay, there is our label. Let's remove the constant keyword here, and then we can put the constant keyword in front of the style here. Then what else? So this is fine like this. And then instead of this column, now we can call social button. Okay, so label we say Google, and then asset image we're going to say asset manager the Google. Height we said 55.0, width 55.0. On top, this is going to be the function that will do when this button is pressed. Okay, so let's close that. Sorry, we need to put a comma, and then let's hot restart and see. So you can see we are getting the same results. So all we have to do is to copy this social button and put it here instead of this column. Let's put a social button here, and then here instead of Google, let's say guest. Here let's say user icon. Okay, so now I'm sure you are used with this reusing our widgets, guys. So what we can do now is because we're going to need another one for Facebook, so let me copy this and then paste it here. Let's say Facebook. Okay, and then we'll put a Facebook logo. For now we don't have it, we're just gonna get it just now. Let's just cut this. Let's cut it and put it in our widget. Where is our widget? In here. Where did we create our social button? I mean the login button. I'm just trying to check. Okay, so these are all main auth. Let's create another file here. Let's say social button .dat. Then all we have to do is just to import material.dat and then paste it down here. Then that's it, and then here we just need to import it and then hot restart. Great. So here in on the row here we can just say main axis alignment dot space evenly. Let's hot restart. Then there we have it. So let's change this icon to the Facebook icon. So I've gone ahead and downloaded the Facebook icon. Let's just minimize this. Then on my desktop there is a Facebook logo. I'm just gonna cut it from here, then open up this chase images folder, then I'm going to paste it inside here. So now I also have a Facebook logo, but I'm not even sure if I downloaded the correct one here. So let's copy this. Let's copy, and then let's go back to our project. Then inside the assets here in the images, let's right click. Let's see if we can paste. We can paste. So let's open, let's say, review in Explorer. So there it is, and then I'm just gonna open this and then paste it in here. Okay, there is our Facebook logo. So maybe I can just rename this. Let's say I don't want to have a space down here, so I'm going to rename this. Then instead of that space, I'm going to put an underscore here, just like that. And then now I can close it, and then if I come back here, here's my Facebook logo, and then I can close it and then go to the asset manager here, and then also get the Facebook logo here. So let me just copy this, paste it here, then here I'm going to say Facebook logo. Then here I will say Facebook underscore logo. Then what is it? It's a png dot png, like that. And then now let's close this, go back to the login screen. Here let's say Facebook logo, and then now we have to restart the application because we've added a new asset. So let's just run it. Let's stop it and run it again. So the application has started, and there is our Facebook logo. It's not filled, but I think I'm fine with this. Yeah, although I need to download the bigger one so that it's filled here. Okay, or what I can do is I can just edit this one and make it bigger. Let me see here. So let's go to assets, Facebook. So I can remove these extra spacing so that it becomes bigger here. Okay, so let me just quickly edit this, and then I'm gonna come back and then I'll upload this edited one.